Butler, Communications Volunteer for AARP Louisiana. Thank you for joining us for this special Facebook event. AARP has been working to promote the health and well-being of older Americans for more than 60 years through information, advocacy, and resources. Part of that work includes helping to improve the places we live so we can thrive no matter our age, ability, or background. We all want places to live where there are transportation options, housing is affordable and meets our needs as we age, that there's access to public spaces in the outdoors, and there are ways to stay connected with our loved ones and neighbors. Ultimately, our vision is for a future in which communities, urban, suburban, and rural, are great places for everyone. AARP is doing this work